Hi, I'm going to teach you all the sounds in the English language. Starting with a new sound, G. Hold your tongue to the back of your mouth and say G, G, G. This is the letter G. Letter G makes the G sound. We say G, G, girl. Hear it.
G, G, girl. Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
G, G, glue. Oops, I made a mess.
That's okay.
G, G, grapes. G, G, guitar. G, G, glasses. Oh no, I can't see.
To write the sound G, we'll go round, down, and hook. Let's learn new words with the G sound. Say the sound, say the word out loud. G, app. G, app. Gap. Hear it.
Say G, app. G, app. Gap.
Full training pack on the website. Bye.